Well, greetings, greetings, greetings. Good afternoon, good morning, good evening, wherever you are. I am excited today. Today, I am walking around the city of Kigali, and we are starting this walk at one of my favorite places here in the city of Kigali. Now, the Kigali Convention Center, as you can see right in front of you, is one of the most favorite, most talked about landmarks in the country of Rwanda. In fact, I can say that the convention center, the Kigali Convention Center, is the most talked about areas in the city of Kigali in the country of Rwanda. This place is also one of the most protected areas. It's heavily guarded by state security and is beautiful. This area is beautiful. Now, a little history. The Kigali Convention Center was opened back in July of 2016 to host dignitaries, conventions meetings, events, celebrities, presidents from around the world coming to Rwanda for executive meetings, business owners. The convention center is also linked to one of the most beautiful hotels in this country, the Renaissance Blue Hotel, which you see right there as well, connecting to the convention center. So today we are just taking a walk. I'm enjoying the beautiful gardens that are laid out here, as you can see. Everywhere here, the pavements of this street, in between the streets, the middle, you see how beautiful the gardens have been laid out. So I come out here for some calm, to just enjoy this place. When I was here, I think a couple days right before we came here to this convention center, there was some global event where leaders around the world were being recognized, and presidents were here, including the former president of Liberia, Madam Helen Johnson Sirleaf, the president of Ghana, and other presidents were here. So this convention center again is known for bringing leaders together and bringing leaders here to beautiful Rwanda. So it's beautiful. Now, one thing I want to share with you is that I got to find out that in order to record, to do a video recording here, you must get approval from the city of Kigali. I did not know that. I came out here and started recording, and I was confronted by a state security, an undercover military officer. He came to me. He was very calm. He was very respectful. He was very professional, and that's something you're going to get out of Rwanda. The state securities here are very professional. The gentleman came to me, asked me for my rating approval from the city of Kigali. And I told him respectfully that I do not have a rating approval from the city of Kigali. I was very honest with him, and I was very respectful to him. And I begged him to, allow me to continue my recording. And he told me that I could no longer record, but because I was very truthful and I was very calm and I was very respectful, that he will allow me to take with me what I have already recorded. Usually what will happen is that he will ask me to delete the recording, but he was very, very honest and he allowed me to take it. Around this convention center, you also find malls, the shopping centers like the one right in front of us. In that shopping center, they also have restaurants, and one of the restaurants there is a Kenyan restaurant where I went for lunch. It was beautiful. The food was delicious. And then, of course, after that, we came down and saw this beautiful statue in front of us here, which has waterfall around it. This entire area is just beautiful. It's just very peaceful. When you come out here, you will enjoy the vibe. Yeah, I mean, around this area, there are just some beautiful structure, like I said, shopping malls, restaurants, other shopping centers. But one thing that I really like about this place, this particular area here, is how beautiful the garden has been laid out. So you can still come here to take pictures on your phone. You are allowed to take pictures on your phone. You are allowed to take videos on your phone. But if you want to do a video recording on a bigger camera like what I have, you will have to seek permission, written approval from the City Council of Kigali. And you do that when you go to the City Hall. Again, this is the most talked about Kigali Convention Center. The Kigali Convention Center is the most talked about. Now, if you look at the city of Kigali or the country of Rwanda, you will see the convention center. The design of the convention center is beautiful. It's even more beautiful when you see it at night, when the light over the convention center, light up, and that building rotates. It's around, it's like a ball. It's designed as a ball, and it rotates. And at night, when you see the light over the building rotating, it's beautiful. It really is beautiful. So we came up here to the shopping center, and I went out there to have a lunch at the Kenyan restaurant. And shortly after that, I decided to do a walk around the city of Kigali. So we decided to just take a stroll a little away from the convention center, just taking a walk. And you find a lot of people walking here. Even though the city is really on the hill, right? You see everywhere in this city is up the hill. But people here enjoy walking. The freedom in this country, when I mean freedom, I'm talking about just the security. Right? The security in this country is beautiful. You can walk everywhere in the city of Kigali and not have any fear of being harmed, of being stolen from, or being taken advantage of. You just enjoy the beauty of this city. You can walk around, and a lot of people here walk around. Another thing I want to share, we always talk about how clean the city of Kigali is, right? In fact, the city of Kigali is known to be the cleanest city in all of Africa, and is now also trending in the world. See the drainage system, very clean. I walk around the city of Kigali for a very long period of time. I kept walking around the city, and I can tell you, you cannot smell any funny scent, right? Which is not common for an African city. In most African cities, the smell is terrible. And that is because of the poor drainage system. But it seems like the drainage system in this country has been well laid out. Controlled by the government to minimize the scent. Here is the Rwanda Development Board, their office. And I show that building because the ongoing development in this country is remarkable. The country is developing. And obviously the Rwanda Development Board, along with the rest of the government agencies, are doing really well. The country is on its way. Rwanda is fast developing. It's really developing. On the streets, you find security, helping to maintain stable traffic. One of the major transportations in this country are what we call motorbikes. Here, they call them moto. So you find the motorbikes everywhere. In fact, they are if not the primary taxpayer in this country, one of the primary taxpayers in this country. The government taxes them. They tax the motorbikes riders. And one thing that I learned is that you cannot just become a motorbike rider in this country. You have to be registered through a company. and you have to be licensed to do it. Every motorbike riders have their license, their numbers, and it's registered on them. They have their special uniforms that they wear. Usually it's bright yellow. They also have their helmets. They make sure that they all are wearing helmets. Only one passenger on a motorbike, one passenger and the rider. So 2 people on the bike. You cannot find more than 2 people on that bike. The rider and one passenger everywhere. And you must wear a helmet. You must wear a helmet. The city of Kigali, to ensure that the city is safe, is clean, and this is across the entire country of Rwanda, right? To ensure that the country is clean, they make sure that everywhere around the cities on the main road, there are garbage disposals. They have garbage disposals. So we're going to show you one coming up here. The garbage disposal have the recycle bin and the regular garbage can. So right there, you see that there's a recycle bin on the left, and on the right, you see a regular trash disposal. So as a citizen, you do know that when you are walking on this street, you know that when you have trash in your hand, you cannot just dispose it on the street. You have to wait until you come out here to the garbage disposal to dispose your garbage. If you dispose of garbage on the street and you are caught, you are penalized. You will be forced to clean the street and also be forced to pay the fine. What I'm showing you right in front of you here is a street camera. The street cameras are everywhere in this country. They ensure that the street speed limits are maintained. I believe across in the cities, I believe there are 60 meters, and sometime outside of the city, I think there are 70. If you speed above the speed limit, the speed camera will get your license plate and they will send you a ticket. You will receive a ticket. When you get a ticket, you will be required to pay your ticket or your fine on that ticket through the city or the traffic department, the traffic department. And if you are caught by a police officer or traffic police officer, and if that police officer issue you a ticket, there is no way that you will bribe your way out. Absolutely no way. You will be required, mandated to pay your fine through the city or through the traffic control department, and you will not bribe the police officer on the street. You will not do that. You will not even attempt to do that. So I just admire the laws in this country, how beautiful the country is set up, how the people here respect the rules. The government ensure that the rules are enforced. I admire the beauty of this country and how clean the cities are. So I love Rwanda. I'm coming back here for sure. And there are more videos still coming out of Rwanda. I want to thank you again for watching. Thank you for staying with us. Please share your comments, share this video, leave your like, and I will see you on the next one.